Hi, this is Ravi Singh from androidify.blogspot.com, and this will be a tutorial about how to install Android 4.3 Jelly Bean operating system on your PC or laptop. So let's get started. The first thing you will need is Unit Bootin software, which you can download for free from its official site. It is available for Windows, for Linux, and for Mac OS. You can see here. Similarly, you have to download the Android x86 4.3 Jelly Bean ISO file from android-x86.org. This is free to download and it has been released recently on July 25th. Click on the download menu. A download page will appear. You will see different versions of Android, from Android 2.2 Froyo to Android 4.3 Jelly Bean, which is the latest update of Android operating system. Look out for Android 4.3. There you go. This is Android x86 4.3 developer. This is a test version of Android 4.3 Jelly Bean. Click on view and it will start downloading. Now save these files into a drive or onto the desktop, wherever you want, because we will require these things. Now, so to create a bootable USB flash drive, you have to run the Unit Bootin software and click on disk image. Then browse the image file of Android which we have downloaded previously, the Android 4.3 ISO file. Click OK, and then in the type select the USB drive and click OK. Now it will start extracting the files and it will copy all the necessary files to the USB drive. This process will take some time, around 1 to 3 minutes or maybe more, depending upon the processor speed. Okay, now it's about to finish. After copying these files, it will install the bootloader, which will help us in installing the grub bootloader, which will make your PC or the laptop, wherever you are installing this, a dual boot system where you can boot between Android 4.3 or Windows if you are running Windows, or Linux operating system if you are using a Linux operating system like Ubuntu. Now click on reboot. After it finishes, it will ask you to reboot the system. The system will restart. Okay, so it's restarted. Please select the USB drive as the first option, or the bootable drive. Now you'll see different menus like run Android x86. This will be you can use, or you can run Android without installation, and if you want to install, click on install Android x86 to hard disk. Press enter. Now here you have to select the drive, in which drive you want to install it. Please select the below SDA partition, and please do not format it. You can install it in any of the drive, but do not format it. Now it will ask you to install the bootloader, the grub bootloader that I told you previously. It will help you to boot between Android and Windows operating system or Linux operating system. If you are, it will automatically detect the Windows or the Linux operating system partition. Okay, I'll be right back. It will take some time. Okay, now it will ask you to write uh, or create a system image file, which will be your RAM, where all the apps will be installed. And if you want to store any file, any music file or any other file, you can store here. You can create up to 2 GB of space or the image. Here I'm going to create a 1 GB of image file, so I'll be getting 1 GB of RAM here. Expect to write 1024 MB. Okay, it's about to finish. The image has been created. Now it's our final step. We have to reboot it. Enter, and please remove the USB drive. Now you'll see different options of Android x86 4.3 test debug mode, debug no mode set, and Windows. You have to select the topmost Android x86 4.3 test. As soon as you click enter, it will start booting Android operating system. It's a stable build of Android 4.3. I mean, I have used it, and it's quite stable. Okay, now you can see the welcome screen. We have to click start. Now you can select here the Wi-Fi network for logging in to the Google accounts. I'm skipping this step as I'm using the dongle, USB dongle, so skip anyway. Google and location, next, and then next, finish. Okay, so we have successfully installed Android 4.3 Jelly Bean. Now here you can see the basic instructions. Okay, so this is our Android 4.3 Jelly Bean. I'll show you few things like these widgets. You can choose between them. You can download apps from Play Store directly by logging into your Google account. You can add widgets, move them, create screens, and there is notification bar. It's almost similar to the Nexus. The most interesting feature is that In the previous versions of Android x86, Bluetooth was not working, but in this version it supports Bluetooth version 3.0 and 4.0 also. I'll show you the about the tablet. You can see here manufacturer Acer, model number AO Happy, and Android version 4.3. So we have converted our laptop into a Android tablet. You can use all the apps, Google apps. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe us below